Last class we discussed up to sheet metal, no? Next we will discuss about sheet metal remaining topics. See, here we have sheet metal. First of all, we have base flange arrow tab. Why we are using base flange arrow tab means just our 2D profile converter as a sheets. Okay, that purpose we are using base flange arrow tab. Now you can select front plane here, go to the sketch. Now I am creating one rectangular sheet. That rectangular sheet dimension, I know that one. Just you can select the small dimension, you can mention here to here. How much of this dimension? Just 150. This one is 150. This is my sheet. If you okay, or otherwise you can change 300 by 300. 300. This side also 300. Just you can do okay. Now this profile, this sketch, I need to convert it into sheet. Okay, how can we convert? Okay, when you entered in sheet metal, that condition just you can check here. All icons are hidden. Just we have two icons. 1, 2, 3. Totally 3 icons highlighted. Okay, why means for example by using this one we can convert our sketchet into sheet. Okay, when you converted, automatically highlighted remaining all items. Okay. Just here asking thickness. For example, if you know thickness, directly you can mention. Okay, if you don't know thickness, some condition you know gauge. Okay, that condition you can go with use gauge table. From this gauge table here we need to select our gauge. Okay, bend allowance inches. Okay, we are not using imperial, we are using metric. That condition you can go with bend allowance mm. Okay, mm sample or bend deduction inches. No, we don't need bend deduction. Bend deduction mm sample. Okay, k factor inches sample, k factor mm sample. Okay, these all, when you take one flat sheet, you can apply one point load on that sheet, automatically we will get some deformation. When you get deformation, that condition occurs bend allowance, bend deduction and k factor. Okay, k factor means uh, changing thickness by actual thickness. Means our neutral axis there, na, that neutral axis will change at particular place. Okay, uh, that's one you can select k factor mm sample. Now you can see gauge 5 is there and gauge 4 is there. Gauge 5, okay, already told yesterday, your gauge number will increase, automatically decrease your sheet thickness. Now you can see here we have gauge 4 condition 2 mm thickness is there. You can go with gauge 5 condition, we have 1 mm thickness is there. Okay. Now I need to take gauge 5 1 mm or gauge 4 2 mm. I need to take 2 mm thickness. Okay, now if you need radius, okay, 1 mm is enough, you can go with the 2. Okay, this one is gauge table. Okay, this is rectangular. Okay, and a ratio, use relief ratio, then you can do okay, finish. Automatically calculating all, we no need to do anything. Just you can see this is our flat sheet. In this flat sheet you need to do any type of operation. First of all I need to do bend. Okay, these 4 sides I need to apply bend, or otherwise one side I need to apply bend. How can we apply our bends? Now we can see our bends. First of all we have edge flange. Okay, edge flange. Edge flange means adds a wall to an edge of a sheet metal part. Okay, now you can select this edge flange. Already I explained to last class, once again I will explain this one. Edge flange, you can select this is my edge. Okay, how much of height you need, just you can mention. Okay, here we have particular angle, 90-degree angle is there. Okay, this is 90-degree. Okay, if you need particular height, here you can mention your length. Okay, 117 is there, I need only 100, you can mention 100, that's it. If you need 100 you can mention, otherwise if you need 30 you can mention 30. This is our 30. Okay, this is outside condition, this is inside condition, this is completely outside, just you can see this is outside. Okay, from here we have 300, this is, but if you need 300 up to this outer face, that condition you can select this one. This condition we are getting 300 up to here. Next, this angle is okay for you, you can mention same, or otherwise you can change it here angle. Okay, then you can do finish this one. Okay, for example, I need to apply same this side also. You can take edge flange, select this one. You can apply how much of height you need. Okay, if you need to change your direction, here we have flip option. You can change like this. Next, same you can mention, I need 30. Just you can do finish. See, this is our sheet now. See now. Next, we completed this one. Next, we have mitter flange. Okay, why we are using mitter flange? Now we will discuss about mitter flange. Now we got one idea about edge flanges. Okay, next we can go for mitter flange. In this mitter flange, what will happen? Just you can select your mitter flange, and you can select your model at here. Okay, go to the control aid, sketch view, you can draw. Select this one, and I am creating from here. I need like this. Then you can do okay. See, you got like this. This is called mitter flange. Which type of profile you need? Compulsory we need to draw open profile, not a closed profile. You can remember that one. At the same time, you need to add something. Okay, that condition you can add your edges also. For example, I need to extend for this one also. See, see like this. Now you can see, once you can take your flat sheet and you can bend like this. Here you are getting your reliefs like this. Sheet condition. See now. Clear na? For example, if you need to close this one, or otherwise if you need to blue flat, here we have flatten, unfold, fold and flatten. You can select this flatten. This is our flat sheet. We need to cut like this sheet. Okay, you can off this one. Again you are getting bend. Okay, now I need to close this one. This closing purpose you can use weld feature. Here we have welded corner. You can select this weld corner and you can select this space. You are getting like this. You can close like this. Now you can see here we have weld feature. 1 mm weld is there. Same this side I need. You can apply here also weld. Is it okay 1 mm, or otherwise you can mention 0.5. You are getting some less here compared to previous, or otherwise you can mention 0.1, 0.2 also. Depends upon the requirement, that one. When you mentioned weld feature, that condition not applicable flatten. Why? This is welded item na? We can't do flat. Unfold we can't do. Like this. If you need to mention like this. This is our plate. Okay, now clear na? This is mitter flange and a hem. For example, I need hem now. Already you know hem. Once again I will explain. Come back once. Edit. Okay, you can select edge 4 and delete. Then you can do finish. This side I need to apply hem. Just we have 3 sides closed, and this side I need to apply hem. How can we apply hem? Just you can select this hem feature and select your edge. Okay, you can change your direction. Just you can apply flip. See now, how much of radius you need? I need 10 radius. Okay, at the same time this length I need 30. Okay, you will get like this. Okay, this type if you need, you can mention this one. For example, contact condition, you can go with this one. This is teardrop, this one is direct contact. Okay, you can go for this one, you will get like this. This is heme. Delete. Okay, that one is heme. Next you can go for next one. Here we have jogged. Why we are using that jogged? I am deleting now meter flange. Why we are using jogged and sketched bend means just for bending. If you need to bend anything, that condition you can go with that. For example, I am selecting this face, go to this sketch, and you can create one sketch at bending portion. For example, I need to bend it here. Based on this, I need to bend like this. Okay, now you can do finish. Okay, again finish. See, this is our sketch now. Now I need to bend this one at this portion. Here we have sketched bend. You can select this sketched bend and you can select your sketch. See, and you can select your face. See now. Okay, if you need change direction, you can change like this. If you need any angle, you can mention that angle also. Bending condition. Okay, this is sketched bending. Next, I need to change jogged. You can select jogged now. Again, I am selecting this one. Go to sketch, and here you can create one more. You can draw like this. Now you can bend this one. How can we bend? Go to sheet metal, select jogged. You can now select this face. Okay, here we have this type of bend. If you need to increase, here you can increase. Just we have 10 gap. This is our flange length actually. Just you can see flange length. If you need only this one, inside offset, outside offset, overall dimension. Okay, which one you need? If you need overall dimension this much 50, or only outside offset, only inside offset, that is your requirement. Based on your requirement you can mention that one. This type of bends if you need, you can use jogged. See, okay. Next, I am creating one more bend at here. Go to the sketch, you can mention Control 8 and you can draw one more feature exactly this point to here. Then you can do finish. Now go to the sketched bend, select this feature. Now you can see we have bend. If you need outside, you can mention like this. This is outside bending. Now you can see this is our profile. See, if you need this type models, you can create very easily by using this one. Okay, if you need flatten at a time, you can see flatten, unfold view. Again select this one, you are getting normal layer. Play. Next here we have closed corner and welded corner completed. Next, break corner or trim corner. If you need any charm for these edges, select this one and you can increase how much you need. I need like this 25 by 24. This side also I need. You can select this one. Sorry, we selected cross break actually. We need to select this one, break corner. 25 is heavy, that's why I'm pressing 10. At the same time I need to apply this side also. You can select fillet. Here we have fillet curve. I need to mention 50. You can mention like this if you need curved. You can mention here 10, like this. See, this is our model now. Clear? This one is break corner or corner trim. Next, after this okay. Next, here we have cross break. We are using that cross break. I will explain that one also. Okay, now you can see your flattened ones. This is our flat sheet now. 4 sides we have shown for this side. Again you can close this one. Okay. Next, you can go for farming tools. For example, we have to apply farming tools. That condition you can go, but we don't have any farming tools. How can we apply? Now we have one out. That condition you can go with here design library. In this design library, go to design library, farming tools. Here we have farming tools. Okay, die type this one. This is die type. Okay, which type you need, you can create that type very easily. For example, I'm go to the, you can close this one. I'm going to the normal. I don't need this one. I'm placing here. Just go to design library. You can select this one and you can place directly like this. What happened? Not applied. That condition go to farming tools and insertion point. Okay, stopping face. Sorry. Here we need to apply one more. Just go here, select this farming tools once, not applicable now. Go to insertion point only. Not applicable anywhere. Just you can go emboss, deboss as. See, this one applicable. Okay, this type of stamping or removing punching purpose you can use. Next, for example, I need to apply this one. Next, this one. Next, if you need another, this one is another. Next, SLD port. This is not applicable. Why? This is part condition we have. This is part condition. This are not applicable. Countersink. This one is applicable. Okay, we need to create this one and we need to save. I will explain that one. Just you can see this one only. How can we create and how can we load? I will explain that one. Here we have. If you need any lower type, bridge type, two side opening, we can see like this. Handle type. You can select lens and angle face at the same time, arc lens. Great. Like this. See, this one is arc type. Means slitting. You can consider slitting type. Okay, this one is lower type. if you need, this one is I said na, Lancer type, this one. Next, if you need Lancer with bend, Lancer with bending, this one. See, 3 sides opening is there, Lancer. Next, this one is lawyers. If you need lawyer, you can mention lawyer. These all we consider as the lawyers. See, this one is lawyer. One side opened, 3 side closed. Rib. If you need rib, you can place rib. Okay, rib you can place. At the same time, embosses, extruded flanges. This one. Next, these are all forming tools. Lancers, ribs, lancers, extruded flange, embosses. Okay, you can use up to here. Okay, how can we create and how can we save into this one? I will show that one. This is not applicable. Okay. Next, this one is forming tools. Next, we have gazette. You can select this gazette and you can select where you need. First of all, we need to select our plane, this one. Here not applicable. See, just you can select 2 faces, automatically we are getting. If you need any distance with end, you can mention like this, how much of distance you need. You need to increase this gazette type, you can increase it here, then you can do finish. This is gazette type. See, okay, again we can change. Once again we can try this one. Just you can select this gazette, select this feature and this feature, automatically we are getting this one, how much you need. Okay, if you need to edit your profile dimension, you can edit here also. I need this one flat, I no need round. That condition here we have 29.46. Is it okay? Next, okay, 45 degrees is okay. At the same time, where we can increase our width, you can mention 5. See, this is our width. Now you can see these all we consider as a gazette type. Next, if you need extrude cut, just you can select, go to sketch, control 8. Okay, which type of shape you need. And you can cut this one. This is extrude cut. Holes purpose, you can create not only hole, any type of direct hole you can place it here. You can place how much you need hole. This is direct hole. Next, we have vent. Okay, vent also we'll discuss later. Okay, this vent purpose we need to create some profile, we need to apply. Okay, now understand up to here.